This is Ruby, and she's a 3-year-old sheepdog Wheaten Terrier mix who loves playing with tennis balls. There we go. Here's our little girl. It's funny she's not too much into bringing it back, but usually she does. She is an ideal candidate for a single person or for a couple that doesn't have kids and they just want a fabulous dog that they can play with, that's highly trainable, which she is. She already knows sit and down. You want to show her? Ruby, sit. Yeah, she says whatever. Sit. Good girl. Down. Good. Down. Good girl. She's going to comply for a moment. She has a beautiful blue eye and a brown eye. So just a little distinguishable girl. Yeah. Weighs about 50 pounds. Active. Just a fabulous adult companion. This is our Ruby.